Awesome. We are live. Hello, my lovely students. Welcome to your very own Aakash BYJU'S NEET channel. I am your Pankhuri ma'am, and we are meeting for the Menti quiz on the last chapter the done chapter on Tuesday. Organism and Population Ecology start की है आप लोगों की demand पर. Very important unit, the most scoring and the weighted unit of your class 12th. Yes, you have to practice questions in this unit to get better at it. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि it's very nice, it's as easy as learning plant physiology or human physiology, but if you make the effort, the good part is questions come only and only from NCERT. Yeah, so if you master your NCERT, which I am doing with you right now in the one-shot series, you are good to go. Now, to give you an idea what kind of questions, this is the common query that I get from my students. What kind of questions will come from this topic? Okay, ma'am, you told us the weightage. This is 2 questions. This is 1 question. The entire unit is 15 questions. लेकिन questions आएंगे कैसे? इतना कुछ लिखा हुआ है, इतना कुछ पढ़ लिया है. So Menti quiz sessions are to tell you कि questions आएंगे कैसे. Okay? So today's questions are very good. Stick till the end. एंड मेंटी के क्या रूल्स हैं वो आपको पूरी दुनिया बता चुकी है. मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ. यू ऑलरेडी नो द रूल्स ऑफ द गेम. ऑलराइट पीपल, क्वेश्चंस आर एक्सट्रीमली गुड टुडे. I am going to discuss very important concepts with the help of these questions. Everybody, please share this session. Good afternoon everybody. Lovely to have all of you. Share this session. Menti quiz का session share करना और भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. क्यों भाई? क्यों? I want to get the real competition. I want to compete with everybody. Yeah, people. Those people with who know less than me and people who know more than me. सबके साथ compete करना है क्योंकि NEET में वही होने वाला है. NEET की date, yes, I know you want me to say that. I know all of you are waiting for that. आप लोगों को news से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार है. Yeah, in fact, बच्चों, news often distracts you from the subject. ऐसा भी मैंने देखा है, right? I'm going to be talking to you about this कि कैसे इस लास्ट वाले टाइम में, आई नो it's not an official news, various newspapers have released that most probably NTA will be releasing the official date of NEET, which is mostly 17th of July, very soon. जब official confirmation आएगी, then your ears should stand up. कान तभी खड़े होने चाहिए, right? So please don't distract yourselves with people telling you the news. Don't distract yourselves with a piece of news. नीट का एग्जाम हो, कभी भी हो, आपकी प्रिपरेशन लाइज बाय preparation will be by focusing on the concept. ठीक है, तो start करते हैं. Everybody in the class, like the session, share the session and subscribe to the channel so that whatever news, whatever things Aakash BYJU'S NEET plans for you, we have a plan ready. The team at Aakash BYJU'S is working hard to make a plan for you. Yeah, we are going to bring many new things in the coming days, people. So you don't want to miss anything. So subscribe to the channel and share this session because you want to compete with the best. People who can score more than you, people who can score less than you. चलो start करते हैं. Everybody is there. Organism and Population. Go to the site and use this code. Please use this code. Fill this code. कन्हैया बिल्कुल क्रैक कर सकते हैं इफ यू फॉलो द प्लान. अच्छा, मेरा ये भी कहना रहेगा, फॉलो वन प्लान. स्टिक टू द प्लान ऑफ ओनली वन टीचर फॉर वन सब्जेक्ट. आप लोग क्या करते हो, दिस एंड दैट एंड अल्टीमेटली इट लीड्स यू नोवेयर. सो किसी एक टीचर को, एक प्लान को फॉलो करो. आई नो इट्स एन इम्पॉर्टेंट डे फॉर यू, बट प्लीज डोंट गेट distracted. Astha, it is lovely to have you in the class. I know you're regular to our classes. You are going to benefit great deal on this. A very good afternoon to you. God bless you. Sharmila, so good to have you here. We will see what you guys are doing. आज leaderboard पे तुम लोग क्या करने वाले हो? आस्था, शर्मिला, there's one more, Anushka, Ifat, what you're going to do? Shubhra, Kalyan, so good to have you. Medilina, so good to have you. Very nice. Sharon, so many names that I see today, they are regular to the class. देखो, regular रहना, consistency is very important in your preparation. मैं ना इसके बारे में बात करूंगी, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर, क्या करना है अब इन आने वाले दिनों में. आई टेक अ सेपरेट सेशन. आज मेंटी कर लेते हैं, क्या बोलते हो? हाँ, we'll come up with a lot of things. I'm planning a lot of things for you guys. Lot of things. ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं. Everybody has the code. Saraswati, thank you very much. All right, people. Let's start. Menti gives you the idea that you have to be fast and accurate. First question is age pyramid with a broad base. मैंने आपको बोला ही था कि एज पिरामिड एग्जामिनर का फेवरेट टॉपिक है. हो ना हो क्वेश्चन आना ही आना है. फ्यूचर डॉक्टर, आप तो डॉक्टर बन ही चुके हो ऑलमोस्ट. क्वेश्चन हैज स्टार्टेड. 5 seconds to go. Read the choices carefully. Yeah. Place your absolute attention on the question. Lovely to have most of the people, 90% of the batch, more than 90% of the batch has answered correctly. That is, अगर age pyramid broad है, इसको discuss करते हैं. अगर age pyramid with a broad base मतलब नीचे pre-reproductive और young individuals are there. Yeah, young people are there. And reproductive goes like this, which is less than pre-reproductive, and उसके बाद आ जाता है post reproductive. Post reproductive यानी कि old individuals are less. ऐसा pyramid होता है triangular pyramid. The next aspect of the question, और इसको बोलते हैं growing population. ये population बढ़ रही है. जाहिर सी बात है that if reproductive people are more, then they are going to give birth to more number of offsprings when they enter the reproductive phase. This is a growing population, so high percentage of young individuals. सबको ये बात clear है? Next question. इससे पहले हम लीडर बोर्ड देख लेते हैं इसी क्वेश्चन का. On our leaderboard, let's see who's the fastest, who's accurate. Embryal. Hi. Can you put a message in the chat box? Congratulations. You are new to the class today, or did you change your name? Fastest. Therefore, at the top in the leaderboard, Elsa Montana, Bran the Broken. यार कैसे कैसे नाम रखते हो? Like, I mean, please keep your real names. I'm sure they're beautiful. Homer, Tweeto, Ted. You know what? I'm going to be taking your names if you keep sensible real names. Next question पर चलते हैं. Question number 2. Ready? Answer fast to get more points. Barnacles growing on the back of a whale. Whale की back पर barnacles grow करते हैं. What kind of relationship? जाहिर सी बात है, दो species का कुछ हो रहा है, कुछ interaction है. इस interaction को क्या कहते हैं? Is it mutualism, parasitism, amensalism और commensalism? बहुत ही easy लेकिन important question. Alright, most of you are correct with this as well. This is a commensalism kind of relationship. तो समझते हैं, थोड़ी और बात करते हैं commensalism की. In the population interactions, that is interaction between various populations of species, commensalism is an interaction where you give the sign, okay, sign as positive and zero. Positive and zero means one species benefits from the other species, which is least bothered, which is not affected, which is not benefited or harmed. इसका example मैंने आपको याद रखने के लिए कहा था that in your class you might have not a friend, okay, but somebody who would ask for help from you. यार अपने notes दे दो, या ये give me extra pen, as simple as that. Now that person is just an acquaintance. You are neither benefited or harmed, but that person gets benefited. So barnacles on whale. अब मुझे इसका एक और example कौन देगा? That is where you learn more from a question. Very good, Astha. Awesome. Very good. Give me one more example. Cattle and egrets. Mahi, excellent answer. Excellent answer. Egrets, when they are always on the back of the guy or bhais. the cattle doesn't get benefited at all. Why are they there? To eat those small insects which will come out of those grasses as the cattle tries to graze. Yeah? एक और एग्जाम्पल जो मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट है, दैट इज सेड बाय वैष्णवी. Very, very good. God bless you. Excellent answer. Clownfish and sea animal का relationship भी commensalism माना जाता है. भाई what is commensalism थोड़ा और डिस्कस कर लेते हैं before we go to the next question so that सबकी रिविजन हो जाए. Commensalism is इसका opposite, that is negative and zero. एक species को नुकसान हो रहा है और दूसरी species को पता ही नहीं है. With me on this, antibiotics. उसके बाद parasitism एक ऐसी इंट्रैक्शन है जिसमें होस्ट को नुकसान हो रहा है. Yeah, it is a negative and positive interaction और पैरासाइट को फायदा हो रहा है. Is that clear? Positive, negative. Mutualism is a positive interaction. दोनों को फायदा होता है. Both are very good friends. Let's go further, people. Let's go to the next question. Leaderboard. गेमिंग बेटा ये गेम नहीं है. आई वुड रिवाइज द कॉन्सेप्ट्स विद क्वेश्चंस. अगर आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस और लीडर बोर्ड में इंटरेस्ट है तो आपको ठीक नहीं लगेगा, राइट? सो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस कॉन्सेप्ट्स विद पीपल हु आर हियर टू लर्न. नाउ लीडर बोर्ड हैज चेंज्ड. Bankeshwar, like the last class, people, he's there again. He's in the game again. He's the fastest. Ranjani. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Please pardon me. Ranjani is at the top of the leaderboard, followed by Hina, Soham. What a beautiful name. Astha is here. Very good. Medalina. Prince Jain. नाम नहीं सुना है मैंने आपका अभी तक. Bankeshwar, Priyanshu, Bhavya and Darpan for NEET 2023. Lovely to have you. You guys are amazing. Question number 3, people. कुछ तो हो रहा है इसी में. हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. अरे भाई पता है हमें. Menti is very helpful. He keeps reminding you. Which of the following statements regarding the competitive exclusion, ये भी मेरा फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है. अब जो मेरे फेवरेट कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं उन्हीं में से क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. इज इनकरेक्ट. इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फाइंड करनी है. ज्यादा वक्त मैंने आपको दिया नहीं है. हाँ, अच्छा लगे या बुरा लगे, ज्यादा वक्त मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए नहीं दिया है. सोहित राइट? या गलती हो गई, इसीलिए मुझे ये क्वेश्चंस पसंद होते हैं. गलती तो हो गई. अब जरूरी नहीं है कि इन लोगों को, जिन्होंने ज्यादा लोगों ने गलती की है, उनको आंसर नहीं पता था, उनको कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं पता था. व्हेन यू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस you get a reality check. The alarm buzzes. The alarm tells you, the fire alarm tells you कि आपको कॉन्सेप्ट पता था, but when you applied the concept कुछ और ही हो गया. This becomes the rank booster. Alright, now let's discuss this. देखो, Gauss's exclusion principle मैंने आपको लिख कर दिखाया था. Important key notes दिए थे क्लास में. I know 2 घंटे से ज्यादा की क्लास थी, बट उसको आराम से पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके यू शुड वॉच दैट क्लास, बिकॉज आई हैव स्पोकन एवरी लाइन ऑफ एनसीईआरटी क्वाइट नाइसली इन अ डिकोडेड मैनर. मैंने आपको बताया था कि गॉस ने जब अपनी रिसर्च करी तो उन्होंने जो की पॉइंट्स दिए, दैट वाज बेस्ड ऑन द लैब एक्सपेरिमेंट्स पीपल. अब लैब में what he saw when he did his experiments on Paramecium, Creatum and Aurelia, he said कि resources अगर limited हैं तो 2 closely related species में, closely related अभी लिख लो अगर किसी को याद नहीं है, there will be exclusion of the inferior species. Exclusion of inferior species. एक species जिंदा रहेगी, जैसे इस केस में उनके एक्सपेरिमेंट में ओरेलिया जिंदा रहा था, लेकिन बाद में जैसे कॉनेल्स एक्सपेरिमेंट था, उन्होंने कहा या मैक आर्थर ने कहा जरूरी नहीं है, कोएग्जिस्ट भी कर सकती हैं स्पीसीज, और स्पीसीज अनरिलेटेड भी हो सकती हैं. मैंने आपको प्यारा सा एग्जांपल दिया था, फ्लेमिंगोज एंड रेजिडेंट फिशेस. I think the intertidal region in the Pacific, American Pacific coast. अब ये आपको हो सकता है बहुत ज़्यादा थियरी लगे या याद करने में मुश्किल लगे, बट ये क्वेश्चन आता है. जो ये याद नहीं करेगा, जो कंपटीशन इन दिस, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन, जो इस तरह से की नोट्स को याद नहीं करेगा, इकोलॉजी विल बिकम वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू. यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर इट इवन इफ यू डोंट लाइक इट. Alright, let's go further. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन का आंसर, it holds good even when the resources are not limited, is an incorrect statement. He said according to Gauss's principle, at least he said that resources should be limited. Okay, let's go further. अब देखते हैं लीडर बोर्ड में क्या हरकतें हो रही हैं. सोहम, yeah, this is such a beautiful name, Soham. It's Vishnu's name or something. मुझे आजकल टाइम नहीं मिलता है माइथोलॉजी की बुक्स पढ़ने का, बट आई थिंक इट्स विष्णुज नेम. टेल मी if that's. यार गेमिंग दर्पण, आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट यू आर टेलिंग मी व्हाट वाज योर मिस्टेक. बेटा दैट इज द गेम ऑफ नीट. मेरे साथ बैठकर आपको वही प्रैक्टिस करना है कि ये हरी, ये स्पीड में मैं नेगेटिव मार्किंग ना करवा लूं, क्योंकि वो आपको +4 तो छोड़ ही दो, -1 देकर जा रहा है. आस्था, lovely to see your comment. Beautiful. Resource partitioning. Alright. Shreyas, congratulations, beta. He's the fastest and accurate. Bhavya, Astha, good to see you. You're climbing up. Atishay Jain. Atishay, what a beautiful name. Iska matlab kya hai? Such lovely names you guys have. Ben, Soham, Purvi, Priyanshu, Riya and Sebin. आगे चला जाए. Congratulations everybody. But एक बात बताऊं, ये जो लीडर बोर्ड है ना, of course it tells you where you stand in terms of accuracy and speed, but the D-Day is approaching. The final day is approaching very fast. So concept clarity is extremely important, and your competition is going to be with at least 15 lakh students. That's why I tell you, Menti में सबको ले आओ, so that you have a better glimpse of your competition. Question number 4. Come on. Ecology में अगर किसी के most of the questions are correct, then that's an achievement. Which of the following explains Allen's rule? The only rule given in NCERT. आप लोगों का syllabus काफी easy हो चुका है. And I discussed this in the class. We had to learn, I think, 4 or 5 rules. Logger's rule, Bergman's rule, this rule. All right, people. Most of you, thank God, are correct, who have marked that shorter ears and limbs in mammals living in colder regions. अपने आप से ही समझ लो. When you go to a colder area, हम सब mammal हैं, yes. When we go to a colder area ना, सबसे पहले सर्दी. जब फ्रॉस्ट बाइट होती है ना, these parts are affected. Fingers निकल जाती हैं. So Ellen said, Ellen's rule is कि colder regions में जितने भी mammals होंगे, आप पोला बेयर को भी देख लो चाहे, the extremities will be small. It is about the extremities, not the body size. वो दूसरा रूल है, वो बर्गमैन्स रूल है, आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है. आई वुड स्टिल एनकरेज यू कि इकोलॉजी के लिए एनसीईआरटी करो. अगर आपके पास 1-2 साल होते, देन आई वुड हैव टॉट यू ऑल द रूल्स. लेकिन अभी इस वक्त आई हैव नॉट सीन नीट में इकोलॉजी पोर्शन में एनसीईआरटी से कोई भी क्वेश्चन बाहर से आता हो. इट्स मोर देन इनफ. सो उसने बोला एक्सट्रीमिटी शुड बी स्मॉल, द एनिमल विल बी बिग. That's what Bergman said. तो स्टेटमेंट को ध्यान से पढ़ना, so that सरफेस एरिया कम होगा और हीट लॉस कम होगा. क्या बोला मैंने? सरफेस एरिया कम होगा, हीट लॉस कम होगा. इसको अपनी भाषा में इस वक्त अगर मेरे से कोई पूछ रहा है कि मैं 17 तक मैं आने वाले एग्जाम के लिए कैसे तैयारी करूं, तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं है किसी और के नोट्स पढ़ने का या शायद टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ने का भी. Subject should be in your head in your very own language, the way I talk to you. I'm not reading out of a textbook. Yes? So, get ready, people. Only if you get ready, you are going to make a difference on the final day. Leaderboard, guys. Let's look at the leaderboard. Ben is the fastest. Congratulations, Ben. श्रेयस, कंग्रेचुलेशंस वंस अगेन. आज लग रहा है श्रेयस इज गोइंग टू विन इट. भव्या, आस्था, आस्था बेटा गुड टू सी यू ऑलवेज. सोहम, पूर्वी, प्रियांशु, रिया, विकास, वेरी गुड टू सी यू. I'll come to the chat box after a few question. प्रिया, मैं आपको बताती हूँ बेटा. Let's go to the next question. Keep the josh on. Keep the josh on, everybody. A group of individuals of a plant, पौधा या animal. For the Hindi भाषी लोग, I'm translating it. Species inhabitating in a given area. Inhabitating in a given area. Okay. Okay. Inhabitating in a given area is called. प्लांट और एनिमल स्पीशीज जो एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में रहते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चन है, इसमें मैं आपको थोड़ा और पढ़ाऊंगी. सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर करेक्ट. कुछ लोगों ने कम्युनिटी बोल दिया है. जब तुम लोग ऐसी गलतियां करते हो ना, दुख तो होता है लेकिन समझाने का मौका भी मिलता है. सो यहां पर इक्वल लोग इनकरेक्ट हैं. काफी कंफ्यूजन हो गई है. बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चन है इकोलॉजी का, जिनका गलत आंसर है जल्दी में या कॉन्सेप्ट ना पता होने के कारण. उनके लिए जब आप इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे बात करते हो और अगर मैंने बोल दिया फिर से अपनी भाषा में, कॉन्सेप्ट को समझना, स्पेशली इकोलॉजी क्योंकि सारी ही अपनी भाषा है. हाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. जब मैंने एक इंडिविजुअल्स का ग्रुप बना दिया, जैसे आपके स्कूल में जब आप 10th से निकले तो उन्होंने आपसे पूछा वेदर यू वांट टू टेक मेडिकल स्ट्रीम, नॉन मेडिकल स्ट्रीम, कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम. यू हैड टू चूज योर सब्जेक्ट. व्हाट डिड दे डू? दे डिड द ग्रुपिंग ऑफ. फिर उन्होंने सेक्शंस में डिवाइड किया. दिस इज द ग्रुपिंग ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ द सेम कैटेगरी, जिनको बायोलॉजी लेना है, जिनको मैथमेटिक्स लेना है, नॉन मेडिकल स्ट्रीम. सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ सेम स्पीशीज, और इसमें एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आता है, ओनली दे कैन इंटरब्रीड. रिप्रोडक्टिव आइसोलेशन, वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. ये आप इवोल्यूशन में भी पढ़ोगे, बिकॉज पॉपुलेशन में क्या हो रहा है ये देखकर हमें इवोल्यूशन के बारे में पता लगता है. सो वो कह रहा था कि एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में प्लांट्स की पॉपुलेशन, प्लांट दूसरी स्पीशीज है, एनिमल्स की पॉपुलेशन, एनिमल्स के इंडिविजुअल्स को अगर मैं इकट्ठा कर दूं, ग्रुप बना दूं, तो उसको पॉपुलेशन कहेंगे. भाई कम्युनिटी जिन लोगों ने मार्क किया है, कम्युनिटी इज लॉट ऑफ पॉपुलेशंस when considered together. जो आपने population interactions में पढ़ा है, जब आप population interactions पढ़ रहे हो ecology में, please I'm telling you this is the foundation of this entire unit. You should know the difference between community and population. Population interactions tells you कि एक community में different populations एक दूसरे से कैसा relation maintain करती हैं, अच्छा, not so अच्छा, बुरा, all that you have studied. With me on this, let's go further. Let's look at the leaderboard. Shreyas is acing again. He's at the top of the... Oh, it changed. Bhavya is at the top of the leaderboard. Followed by Shreyas, Ben, Astha. Astha, climb up, please. You can do much better. I know you can do better. Priyanshu, Soham. Soham, you can do better. पूर्वी, रिया, अतिशय. अतिशय बेटा नीचे क्यों चले गए लीडर बोर्ड में? हीना राठी इज द फास्टेस्ट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. सो इट इज अ लाइक नीट का पेपर, लीडर बोर्ड इज क्यूमुलेटिव ऑफ ऑल द क्वेश्चन. सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन में या एक टॉपिक को पढ़ के जाने में यू विल नॉट गेट सिलेक्टेड. आगे चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. इज दिस AC नॉट वर्किंग? इट्स वर्किंग राइट? The number of females per 1,000 males. सिद्दीकी फरा कोड ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, ये देखो. Now it's working. All right. The answer is D, sex ratio. इसको Yeah. So luckily you all of you have marked it correct. This is excellent. जब हम population को study करते हैं, the attribute, one of the most important attribute is sex ratio. Number of females per 1,000 males. For example, we say that for these number of individuals, 60% are females in this particular area, 40% are males. Yeah. So in an ideal situation, it should be 1:1. This ratio should be 1:1. Next question. Before that, let's look at the leaderboard. Anushka, you just go to menti.com and join it. Try to do it again. Exactly, Darpan. Very well said. Syed, thank you so much. Okay. Shreyas is going to win today. Looks like that. Unless you people try and get to the top. Bhavya, Ben, Astha, Priyanshu, Purvi, Riya, Medilina was fastest this time. Congratulations, Medilina. I see you quite regularly in the class. Very well done. Hina, Atishay, Riya, congratulations all of you. Let's go to the very next question, people. Question number 7. Let's see what is going to come up to check our knowledge. A type of population interaction between two populations. See what I told you. Two different populations of two different species. ये community की बात हो गई. Where किसी को फायदा नहीं हो रहा है. Neither of them are benefited. 7 seconds to go. 3, 2, and 1. Let's see. Please answer correctly. Okay. More than 50% of you have answered it correctly. ये तो बहुत ही easy question था. जिन्होंने D mark किया है, बेटा उसमें, अच्छा, इसका ना population interaction से question आना ही आना है. If not 2, 1 question is going to come. तो इसको याद करने का तरीका है, आपकी NCERT में एक table दिया हुआ है, wherein on one side you have the interaction and you have the benefit or harm. तो उसमें plus, minus, plus, zero, minus, minus, इस तरह के आपको साइंस मिलेंगे. अब इस लास्ट के कुछ महीनों में you have to find a trick and strategy to learn quickly, to complete the syllabus, and you have to follow a particular sequence in which you do your syllabus. इसके बारे में I will talk in a separate session. But इसमें ना ये क्वेश्चन आराम से हो सकता था if you would have had a glimpse of the table, if you would have had a peek of the table. ये कह रहे किसी को फायदा नहीं हो रहा. नेगेटिव और नेगेटिव तब होता है जब दो लोग लड़ते हैं, जब दो लोग लड़ाई करते हैं, दोनों को नुकसान होता है. चाहे एक जीत जाए बाद में, लेकिन while they are fighting, इकोलॉजिकल लेवल पे समझो, they are wasting their resources in fighting. It's like अभी जैसे war is going on, right? Russia and Ukraine. One might say, yeah, this country will win, this will be defeated. लेकिन war करते हुए आप देखो economically, both the countries waste their resources, a lot of people lose their lives. So it is a negative interaction. Commensalism जिन लोगों ने mark किया है, it is a positive and neutral interaction. Let's go further. Let's look at the leaderboard. दर्पण उसमें नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है, उसमें पढ़ाई करने का, that is not a fight यार. श्रेयस, congratulations, you're doing very well. देखते हैं fastest कौन है. अखिलेश, congratulations for being the fastest. Let's be accurate and let's share the position with Shreyas. Astha, you're climbing up. Very good. Bhavya, Priyanshu, Purvi, Riya, Atishay, Hina and Piyush. Lovely to have you all. Next question पर चलें फटाफट. नमस्ते अखिलेश. शर्मिला, क्यों बाबा? Why? कब तक? Guys, one thing I forgot to tell you, if you want to know anything from me regarding your biology preparation, since you have the date now, you should have a fixed strategy from today itself till the exam day. Till the very night when you go to sleep and next morning you leave for your center. If you want to know anything, write in the comment section. I will choose and I will address your concerns in a separate session. Whatever help you need from us, we are there for you. Okay? Let's go further. Next question. The plant-animal interactions often involve co-evolution of the mutualists. बहुत ही प्यारा क्वेश्चन है. Which among the following is a good example of co-evolution and mutualism? मैंने बोला था आज क्वेश्चंस बहुत अच्छे होने वाले हैं. Do you feel the time is less? You needed more time? Sharmila, I am going to share a plan. We are planning to start your revision, class 11th revision very soon. मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगी transport and plants. Don't worry at all. It's a wonderful chapter. Mahi, thank you बच्चे. People, 20 seconds are enough for a question. Yeah. अच्छा, इसमें काफी लोगों की गलती हुई है. This is a very important concept, frequently asked question. I'll discuss it. All of you want discussion of the questions or you just want me to go through the questions? Let me know in the chat box. Do you want me to discuss the concept so that you have a better idea? Ashok, we need more time, okay? Okay. All of you are saying discuss. Okay, I'm going to discuss it. Yeah, mutualism. First of all, you had to focus on the word mutualism. अब सुनोगे तो ही तो समझ में आएगा. सुनते ही नहीं हो, मैसेज करते रहते हो, बात करते रहते हो. सुन तो लो. Mutualism is a positive and positive interaction. दोनों को फायदा होता है. अब कभी कभी ये फायदा और ये इंट्रैक्शन, म्यूचुअलिज्म के ना डिफरेंट टाइप्स होते हैं. पहले हम पढ़ा करते थे. दिस प्रोटो कॉपरेशन ऑल्सो. आपको सिर्फ ये समझना है कि प्लांट और पॉलिनेटर के बीच में, मैंने आपके लिए सिंपल बनाया था क्लास में सो दैट यू डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. म्यूचुअलिस्टिक रिलेशनशिप्स में स्पेशली प्लांट और पॉलिनेटर की ऑब्लिगेटरी म्यूचुअलिज्म होता है. एक दूसरे के बिना लाइफ साइकिल, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स, लाइफ साइकिल डज नॉट कंप्लीट फॉर बोथ without each other, as seen in fig and female wasp. Female wasp lays its egg in the flower of fig. Fig में क्या होता है? Hypenthodium inflorescence. काफी अच्छे से जगह होती है उसके पास. It is Hypenthodium inflorescence. That is called as oviposition. यानी कि female wasp is dependent on the fig flower for its life cycle completion, because the larvae will feed on the seeds which are developing seeds in the fruit of the fig. Otherwise larvae को nutrition मिलेगी नहीं और female wasp का life cycle complete नहीं होगा. In turn, fig will not complete its life cycle till the wasp brings the pollen grains. Is that clear? ऐसा जरूरी म्यूचुअलिज्म. इस केस में एक और बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म आता है को-एवोल्यूशन. They are so dependent on each other, they trust each other so much that if there are some changes that happen in the fig, that is the plant, then the changes will happen in the pollinator as well, that is the wasp. Cool? Let's go further. Discussion done. Next question. Very good, Sharmila. That's absolutely correct. Saraswati, yes, why not? Okay, Shreyas is at the top. Congratulations, you seem to be winning today. Bhavya, good to see you at the second position. Very good. Priyanshu, lovely to have you here. You were the fastest, as well as you have climbed up in the leaderboard. When you change your position on the leaderboard, then that means you're improving. Atishay, so good to have you. Piyush, Astha, Sharon, Medalina, Darpan and Prince Jain, जिसका नाम मैंने नहीं सुना है. Question number 9. Guys, keep sensible names here. Be sensible, yeah. Somnath, I'll update you on the same. Absolutely. You can, whatever help you need from my side in terms of biology, please feel free to write in the comment section. Question number 9. Let's look at the question. Is it easy? Is it scoring? Identify the growth status of 3 populations. What a beautiful question. Yeah, there are 3 age pyramids which are given here. 3 age pyramids which are given to you. And tell us what is happening to the population. Looking at the pyramids. Yes, Astha, these are NCERT figures. Alright, most of you are correct in this question. बहुत अच्छी बात है. You can see, मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया है, if it is a triangular pyramid, yeah, then it is an expanding population. If it is a bell-shaped pyramid, where pre-reproductive and reproductive are more or less equal, then that is a stable population. यहाँ पे वैसे थोड़ा कम लग रहा है. And the other one is the urn-shaped pyramid, where उल्टा हो जाएगा, of expanding population, pre-reproductive will be the least. Pre-reproductive population will be the least and old people will be more. जहाँ पे old बूढ़े लोग ज़्यादा हैं, यानी कि ultimately वो population decline होने वाली है. Is that clear? Let's go further. Let's look at the leaderboard. आपका favorite. Sharmila, beta, अगर दूसरा context है, put it in the comment section. I'll reply to your comment. I'll look at the comment, maybe not immediately, but I'll definitely look at all the comments. Okay, Prince Jain, for sure. Priyanshu, finally! Yes, very good. You're the fastest. I love a change in position on the leaderboard. Excellent. That makes me happy. That gives me a lot of energy. Yeah? Bhavya, Shreyas, Atishay, Piyush, Astha. Astha, क्या हुआ? नींद आ गई बीच में? Or I think you got locked out of the session. Excellent. Prince, sensibly नाम लिखो. Next question. Question number 10. You're a medical aspirant. Huh? Pretend at least to be serious and sensible. Question number 10. Let's go further. Small animals are rarely found in polar regions because of what? I have discussed this in one of the previous questions about the polar regions. Adaptations में से question आता है, ऐसा आप देखोगे previous years में, if you open up the question papers. Okay? Now, people who are incorrect, पहले correct option देखते हैं. Small animals like shrews, आपकी NCERT example देती है shrews and hummingbird. मैंने class में भी ये discuss किया था. These small animals have more surface area and less volume. अब अगर वॉल्यूम कम होगी तो ये लोग ये एनिमल्स हीट रिटेन नहीं कर पाएंगे. एंड इफ दे कांट रिटेन द हीट, okay, Priyanshu is again at the top. I'll come to the explanation. Atishay was the fastest this time. Atishay Jain, congratulations for being fastest today. Bhavya, Shreyas, Piyush, Medilina. I just loved it. How Priyanshu changed the position on the leaderboard. Shrey, let's climb up. Let's climb up. Don't let Priyanshu take your position. तो जैसा मैं कह रही थी, let's discuss that. Bergman's rule ये कहता है कि polar regions में animals हमेशा बड़े होते हैं. You look at the polar bear. Yeah? So basically छोटे animals में volume ज़्यादा होती है and they can't retain the heat. Heat loss बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी हो जाता है because their surface area is large and volume is less. मैंने आपको प्यारा सा example दिया था कि you buy a bowl, a glass bowl, a plastic bowl for the space, not the surface area. Bowl कितना भी बड़ा हो according to the design, but अगर उसकी volume कम है, then that is the reality. You're buying the bowl for the space inside it. Make sense? Sort of. Next. आगे चला जाए. Question number 11. The function or position of a species within an ecological community is. कितना शरीफ सा क्वेश्चन है. हाँ आस्था, वेरी गुड, बट बच्चे यू डोंट रियली हैव टू डू दीज रूल्स. इकोलॉजी में एनसीईआरटी से के साथ रहो. वो मेरे मुंह से तो निकल जाते हैं कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स, ऑल्दो आई ट्राई टू नॉट टू गिव यू एक्स्ट्रा बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर करेक्ट. कुछ लोगों ने शरारत की है एंड दे हैव रैंडमली मार्क्ड सी. पता है क्या है, अगर तुम मेंटी क्विज में आंसर क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है, तुम्हें आंसर नहीं पता है और तुम मार्क करोगे ना, यू आर सबकॉन्शियसली, आपको नहीं पता है, यू थिंक इट इज जस्ट अ कैजुअल मेंटी क्विज, मैम तो आए हैं कोई बात नहीं, बट आप ना कहीं एक हैबिट डेवलप कर रहे हो टू मार्क द आंसर्स इवन इफ यू डोंट नो, एंड दैट विल, ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस, you will remember me. That will definitely reflect in the exam, on the exam day. आप वहाँ पे भी उन questions का आंसर मार्क करके आओगे जो आपको श्योर नहीं है, and what will happen? Negative marking. So my suggestion to you, you guys are wise enough to take your decisions, to make your choices, but my suggestion to you is please don't let yourself develop this habit. बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन था, मैंने इस पे स्पेशली फोकस किया था क्लास में कि नीश पढ़कर जाना. आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक, आपकी हर जगह आपको ये बताया जाता है दैट एड्रेस ऑफ अ स्पीशीज इज द हैबिटेट बट द प्रोफेशन इज द टैडपोल. क्या बोल रही हूँ यार मैं, बट द प्रोफेशन इज द नीश. ये मैंने टैडपोल इसलिए बोला क्योंकि इसमें एक बहुत क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल आता है. फ्रॉग and tadpole have different niches. That is how niche is the decimated role, the habit of an organism. एक aquatic है, दूसरा amphibian है. एक herbivore है, दूसरा carnivore है. So niche is something which is my specific role within a habitat. उस हैबिटेट में भी हाउ आई यूटिलाइज द रिसोर्सेज. रिसोर्सेज सबके लिए सेम है, सब स्पीशीज के लिए सेम है. या नो टू स्पीशीज विल हैव द सेम नीश, दे कैन हैव द सेम हैबिटेट. हाउ डू आई यूटिलाइज द रिसोर्सेज? फूड इज अवेलेबल, या व्हेन डू आई ईट इट? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फूड डू आई ईट? स्पेस इज कॉमन फॉर ऑल ऑर्गेनिजम्स. How much space do I cover in the habitat? What are the reproductive habits of an organism? All these specific roles is called the niche. Next question. Shreyas, what's the plan? Come on, climb up, yeah? Sanjana, quite a good question. I don't think so. मैं इसके बारे में सोचूंगी, but I don't think so. Because उन्होंने ना different habits और एक ही पेड़ पर डिफरेंट लोकेशंस चूज कर लिए. इनफैक्ट दे feed on different kinds of seeds and live in different zones on the same tree. So we can say that they have different niches. Yeah, quite an excellent question, very good. I saw your question, beta Sanjana. If there's a different answer I come up with, I'll let you know. Priyanshu, Bhavya, Shreyas, Atishay, Piyush, Medalina, Sharon, Soham. Okay, very good. Astha, when am I going to see you up in the leaderboard? Okay, I told you what I think about it. I think that makes sense. Question number 12, people. मैं फिर भी एक बार चेक करूंगी. Match the following. Match the following is a sure pattern of question for all the subjects which you are going to see in your NEET paper. Match the following are often scoring questions for all of us. This is a very, very important question. वक्त आपको ज़्यादा नहीं दिया गया है. Most of you are correct. People who are wrong, who have marked B as the answer, let's discuss this. मैं पीछे जाती हूँ और क्वेश्चन देखती हूँ. The question is not appearing. I will not get the question, is it?
This is already we have answered.
Okay, so I'll not. Okay. People, I think the question was about regulation, confirmation और क्या था? Migration, hibernation भी था. जरा बताओ मुझे. Yeah. So regulators मतलब us who maintain a constant osmotic balance and temperature irrespective of the surrounding environment. Yeah, thank you. So regulators are mammals and most of the birds. Then you have confirmers who are more like they surrender to the environment. जैसी environment होगी वैसे हम हो जाएंगे. 90% of animals and definitely plants. ये plants को लेकर question बहुत पूछा गया है. They are confirmers. इसीलिए in different areas, geographical regions, different types of vegetation is present. उसके बाद suspension is a kind of adaptation. Suspension is a kind of adaptation where I don't do anything till the unfavorable conditions are present. Suspension में you have various shades. You can hibernate, you can estivate, you can undergo diapause. इसके examples class में मैंने किए हैं. अच्छा ये जो adaptations हैं और responses हैं ना, अभी class के बाद इतना section Tuesday वाली class में से ज़रूर देखना, इसमें से question आएगा. You'll thank me later on the exam day. तो suspension देख लेना. What was the other one? Confirmation, hibernation. Hibernation comes under suspension. It is winter's sleep. Okay, migration. Migration is to escape. Migration is a behavior where the organism will escape the unfavorable condition temporarily. उसको पता है घर कहाँ पर है, वो घर आएगा वापस, but it is just a temporary behavior to escape the unfavorable conditions, mostly shown by birds. Siberian crane and Khilario National Park का example is very important. Let's look at the leaderboard. Priyanshu, Bhavya, Shreyas. Priyanshu is not letting anybody. Shreyas, what's happening? Bhavya, would you like to exchange the position with Priyanshu? I think you should. Priyanshu is fastest. Atishay, Piyush, Medalina. Okay. Rest of it looks quite similar. Let's go to the next question, people. Question number 13. We are quickly moving towards knowing the winner. Is it Shreyas or it's Priyanshu? In a population, if the rate of addition of new members is higher than the rate of individuals lost, it shows. Guys, do you like the questions today? If you like any particular question, let us know in the chat box. Astha, that's absolutely correct. Arctic tern. I think it travels the longest distance, in fact. Most of you are correct with answer A. It is exponential growth. यानी कि population increase हो रही है. Formula हमने पढ़ा था NT+1. That is density at time. This is the formula for population growth. Yeah. This is initial density. Yeah. Plus B plus I and minus D plus E. Yeah, this is the entire formula. Initial density, population growth कैसे measure करोगे? You measure the density at time T+1. Initial density, how many births happened? How many people came from outside? How many deaths happened? How many people left? So वो बोल रहा है कि there is addition of new members. This component is greater. This is greater than the second component. So it's a growing population. Let's look at the leaderboard. Let's see who's the fastest in this question. Astha, lovely to know that. If you feel that today questions are great, please thank the team who works hard, who work day and night to hand-pick specific questions and put them together for you. Alright, Priyanshu is not letting anybody take his position. Bhavya Atishay has climbed up. Piyush was fastest in this question. Congratulations, Piyush. Lovely to see you here. Next question, question number 14. Kalyan, beta, the idea is, I totally get your point. The idea is to take that question which will let me discuss more relevant concepts. So it is not about the number of questions, it is about the quality of questions. Yeah, I'm focusing on the quality than the quantity. Astha, that's amazing. You should be grateful. Which of the following matches incorrectly? Birds do not confirm. We have already discussed that birds are regulators. Mammals are regulators. Siberian crane migrates. I told you. Suspension. अच्छा, जो fungus और bacteria spores बनाते हैं या lower plants जो spores बनाते हैं, that is also suspension to escape the unfavorable conditions. These are all temporary behaviors of the organism. अगर मैं underground stem की बात करूं, that is also a sort of suspension. Priyanshu, Bhavya, Atishay, Piyush was fastest again in this question. Congratulations. Let's go to the next question. Question number 15. Which one of the following is not the attribute of a population? Ben, absolutely. पक्की बात है ये. संजना, उसमें सिस्ट बनती है. दैट मल्टीपल फिजन में एनसिस्टेशन करता है एमीबा. और स्पोर्स आपके थिन वॉल्ड और दैट इज अ वेरी थिक लेयर इन मल्टीपल फिजन. ओके. Yeah. So now this was a very easy question, but I wanted to clear a concept through this question. जब आप organism level पे पढ़ते हो, जब आप organism level पर ecology को पढ़ते हो, then it will be the gender, male or female. Because मैंने आपको बताया था organism level पर ecology is physiological ecology. But that is common. If I talk about the physiology, ecological level पे male and female respond in the same manner. Population level पर जब आप ecology पढ़ते हो, you look at the sex ratio. That was the message I wanted to give you. Age pyramid is definitely an attribute of the population. It tells you the status of the population, whether it is growing, stable or declining population. Death rate और birth rate तो अभी आपने देखा है कितने important है. I gave you the formula. Ecology में ना रट कर questions नहीं होंगे. You have to understand the concept. Sharon, glad to know that you're liking the questions. All thanks to the wonderful team at BYJU'S who works hard to pick questions for you. Rahul, kuch bhi matlab. Priyanshu, very good. Ben is fastest in this question. Very, very good. Very good. Let's go to the last question of the day, and after this I'm going to announce the winner. Priya, for now, quizzes happen every Thursday at 3 p.m. and the session happens every Tuesday at 7 p.m. I'm going to take ecosystem in the next class. Please attend the class. अगर attend नहीं कर पाते हो, watch the session. Don't miss any chapter in the series. Penicillium kills the bacterium Staphylococcus. This sort of relationship is कि एक species दूसरे को मार रही है. Whoa. That's heartbreaking. अब मैं क्या ही बोलूं. अच्छा, one thing, amensalism is not given in NCERT. Please add it in NCERT. मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो भूल गई है. Answer is amensalism. मैंने आपको बताया था एंटीबायोटिक्स का जो फंक्शन है, जिसमें एंटीबायोटिक, this is a fungus, right? Ascomycetes. It produces penicillin. या हमने ब्लैक वॉलनट की बात की थी in the class. It produces juglone. So one species, these species which are producing the chemicals have no clue about it. That is their very nature. That is their genetic makeup. But owing to these chemicals, the species, other species is getting killed, which is Staphylococcus. Acha, I see that people who are committing a mistake in such questions, population interactions, मैं दोबारा आपको ये बोलूँगी कि before the examples, please go through the table of markings, plus, minus, minus, plus वाला बहुत ही beautiful table दिया हुआ है NCERT में. Go through that. Most of your questions will be correct after that. So इसमें it is amensalism, not predation. Predation is a positive and negative interaction. इसमें पेनिसिलियम को कोई फर्क ही नहीं है, उसको कोई बेनिफिट थोड़ी ना हो रहा है स्टेफिलोकोकस को मारकर, उसको पता भी नहीं है. ओके आस्था बच्चे, these are all previous year questions. Ben, absolutely with you on this. मैं बताती हूँ आपको. Guys, Somnath, please congratulate Somnath. He was fastest in this question. Astha and Sharmila, I can see you. Congratulations, Priyanshu, Atishay, Sharon. Where is Shreyas? Last question of the day. Not cool, Anushka. Last question of the day, people. Competition and amensalism, जिसका मुझे इंतजार था, वही question आ गया है. Are which type of interactions? Did you see that in today's session you had a lot of questions from population interactions? Now this gives you the message that population interaction is the most important topic in this chapter, followed by adaptations and then followed by perhaps growth models. Alright, most of you have answered correctly. Competition मैंने बताया था, याद रखना, एग्जाम तक याद रखना, सिर्फ आज तक नहीं, एग्जाम तक. नेगेटिव नेगेटिव इंट्रैक्शन होती है, जब तक लड़ाई चलती है दोनों को नुकसान होता है, वो अलग बात है, दैट वन टीम कैन विन. अमेंसिलिज्म हमने अभी डिस्कस किया है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंट्रैक्शन इट इज नेगेटिव एंड जीरो. डिड आई पुट पॉजिटिव एंड जीरो अर्लियर? It is negative and zero. So with this we complete the set of questions from Organism and Population in this class, and let's announce the winner. Bhavya was fastest. Priyanshu is today's winner. Bhavya, congratulations for being fastest in this particular question. For today's session, congratulations Priyanshu, very well done. Please take this streak to your exam day. Yeah, win there also. A very congratulations. Now the purpose of these sessions is to revise the chapter once again. Guys, I'll see you in the next class where I will discuss ecosystem. Make sure you attend the class because ecosystem chapter, 4 chapters हैं ecology में, ecosystem से maximum questions आते हैं, followed by ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड पॉपुलेशन. बायोडाइवर्सिटी से इक्वल आते हैं. एनवायरमेंटल इशू से एक क्वेश्चन आता है, वो आप केमिस्ट्री में भी पढ़ते हो. आई थिंक केमिस्ट्री इन एवरीडे लाइफ, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. सो इन टुडेज सेशन यू सॉ दैट प्रियांशु changed the position. He took the first position. Shreyas, very well done. No worries at all. Next class, Priya, that's what. Subscribe to the Aakash BYJU'S NEET channel so that, and join the Telegram group, official Telegram group, so that you always know कब मैम की क्लास होने वाली है. I might plan a class. मुझे एक ख्याल आ गया कि आप लोगों को अब इस तरह से मदद करनी चाहिए, या this is the need of the hour. I might plan a class. You don't want to miss any important classes by any teachers. Let it be chemistry, physics, botany and zoology. So stay connected with us. Subscribe to the channel. हाँ बेन, बच्चे, you're right about it, but that is where you become smarter than others. जो आप लोग पूछते हो ना टीचर से, what is this strategy, कैसे पढ़ें अब? As far as ecology is concerned, आराम से relax, stick to NCERT. I'm going to come with much more amazing sessions. Subscribe to the channel and stay connected. See you in the next class on Tuesday. Bye-bye. Take care and study hard. Thank you, Aparna.